Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down a simple yet powerful strategy to trade Crash 300, step by step. Whether you're new or experienced, this guide will help you understand how to ride the trend and catch those explosive crash spikes. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding Crash 300. First, what makes Crash 300 so special? Unlike Crash 500 or 1000, Crash 300 is more aggressive. On average, it produces a massive bearish crash candle every 300 ticks. That means the market usually climbs up slowly, and then boom, a huge drop. Knowing this behavior is the key to trading it successfully. 2. Chart setup. Here's how to set up your chart before you trade. Use the M5 time frame for entries and M15 or H1 to confirm the bigger trend. Add these indicators, EMA 200, EMA 50, RSI 14, and stochastic oscillator set to 5 to 3 to 3. This setup will help you filter the trend, spot pullbacks, and know when the market is overbought or oversold. 3. Entry rules. Now, let's talk about entries. There are two main setups, buy and sell. Buy setup. 1. If on H1 the price is above the EMA 200, we know it's bullish. 2. Wait for a pullback near the EMA 50 on the M5 chart. 3. Check that stochastic is below 20, meaning the market is oversold. 4. Enter a buy and aim for 10 to 20 candles. But remember, exit before the crash happens. Sell setup. 1. If on H1 the price is near resistance or EMA 200, expect a reversal. 2. On M5, wait until stochastic is above 80. 3. Look for a bearish candlestick, like an engulfing or a shooting star. 4. Enter. Sell. Set your stop loss just above the last swing high and take profit after 1 or 2 big crash candles. Don't get greedy. 4. Risk management. This is the most important part. Use a small lot size, about 0.2 for every $100 in your account. Only risk 2 to 5% per trade. Always use a stop loss. And please, limit yourself to 2 or 3 trades per session. Overtrading is what kills most traders. 5. Example trades. Let's see how this works in action. Example, sell trade. With a $200 account, you take a 0.2 lot sell at 4,500. Your stop loss is at 45.10 and take profit at 4,080. That's a risk of $10 to make $20. A perfect 1.2 risk-to-reward ratio. For a buy trade, you enter near the EMA 50 when RSI shows oversold, place your stop loss below the last swing low, and aim for 10 to 20 candles upward. 6. Golden rules. Now here are my golden rules for Crash 300. Trade with discipline, not emotions. Never chase spikes. Wait for your setup. If you lose 2 trades in a row, stop trading for the day and practice on demo until you're consistent. Trust me, patience and discipline are your best tools. And that's it, your simple step-by-step Crash 300 trading strategy. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with the strategy you're currently using. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy trading.